Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the video. So guys, as you know, I started a series in which I teach you about how you can create Instagram post on different niches. So guys, you can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can grab the local clients by providing them your service, or you can also go to google.com and find search websites according to your niche and offer them that you can maintain their Instagram presence or viral their Instagram page. Or the last option, you can also grow your own Instagram theme page by using this skill. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create empowering quotes in Canva for Instagram post. So let's get started. We will make this in canva.com. So go to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing tool online available. You don't need to be an expert graphic designer to use canva.com, or you don't need to have experience. You just started. Canva do it all for you, because the motto of Canva is bring learning to life. So create a design, and here I search Instagram post square. It is loading. It's depend upon the internet speed, so wait for some seconds. Guys, I do not use templates. I made empowering quotes from scratch. So first of all, I would like to take a quote from website on Google. So I search here quotes. We search empowering quotes on Google. So empowering quotes to inspire you to make a change. Okay. So let's take any of the quote. Aim for the moon. If you miss, you may hit a star. Okay. Control C. I like this one, so I copy this one and I go to canva.com and empowering quotes. So we would like to ask Google that which color is used for empowering. Color for empower. Red color is used for empowerment. So red. So let's go for red, and I choose red color. After that, I copy paste a quote, and I choose the font. I think this one is good. Yes, it's look great. After that, I increase the size of the quote. Yeah, it's look good. I have to change the color. White is good or gray is good? No, white is good. Guys, must mention the quote author. It is the ethical practice. So I mention the author of the quote. It is the must do thing. So I paste it here. So it is complete. After that, I add one text. Sorry, in which I put dummy website. I put dummy website for just learning purpose, that you must have a website for this, and I paste it here. And now I add some element, empowerment, and let's see what we got. Yeah, this great, that is great. But I have to change the color. This element is looking really cool. So guys, that's it. You see how in 2 to 3 minutes I create a beautiful post. So sell this service online and make money. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.